Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a zero waste coffee scrub. These are perfect gifts and all you need is some mason jars. I got these from Dollar Tree. And then you're just going to need some coconut oil and some ground coffee. And I just start by putting the coffee grounds in them, filling the jars up halfway. And then I'm just gonna put some coconut oil in there halfway. And then I'm just gonna stir it all up and make sure the coffee grounds are fully saturated with the oil. And then the trick to making it look pretty is just getting a rag and making a perfect line and just getting it out and just making it look a lot nicer. And then they are all done and they are the perfect gift and they're low cost and zero waste. So thanks for watching.